I guess we're gonna go get some headlights because they keep burning out. If you watched last video, we couldn't take the Skyline to Barlow because the headlights burnt out yet again. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna head out to the shop that we can use, and we're gonna put the headlights in and eventually weld his diff. So this will be the third time welding a diff to get it to work, but hopefully like this time it has to work. So we'll see what happens, I guess. And there's like a couple of things we have to do, but I'm not sure. But you'll see in the video anyway. So yeah. So we're gonna go there now. Okay, can I zoom in on this? I don't know.
What the fuck?
Look at this thing. What is it? Is it it's like a enclosed bike? I really don't know. That's so cool.
Sponsor energy.
Alright. Hello, Canadian Tire. Alright, we just came back from Canadian Tire. Got some vitamin water, some chips, a Sprite, and 2 new headlights, and hopefully these ones will stay lit, but probably not, but we're gonna try anyway because we need headlights. So yeah, we should just buy stocks and headlights and then also buy them in bulk. I think that would be a good idea. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So now I guess where are we going?
Sure.
Got your JDM Surikawa from JDM Surikawas. Doesn't hang well enough to scrape though. Oh, you put it out before I could film it.
Oh, I bent it. Yeah, because it's fucking melted.
Oh fuck.
You did
Is
it
it
the
gonna
right
leak?
way. I watched something about that the other day.
Oh my
Yeah,
god.
don't do that because it'll come out at you. I'm gonna go open the garage door.
Yeah. Is it gonna melt though and leak? Holy fuck.
That was interesting.
Yeah, so don't weld diffs with the oil right below it and brake clean. But now we're gonna weld this diff. What did we learn?
Let other people weld their stuff. That's so weird. I like. It's really warm.
Oh my god.
I looked over, it's like, that's fucking bright.
Yep, melted it. Can I watch it through the video?
Yeah. It's burning in there!
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
So much fire everywhere. Bye.
Be careful.
Yeah, I'm fucking out. I've already had one of those explode at me. But it was Alex. I mean, it's not gonna matter soon anyway, so. You mean this one works?
Don't fucking say that yet. Work it, Polini.
Wow, so hot. Douchebag of the day.
Fucking
Ghost of Pasquini.
Okay, easy there, Philip DeFranco. I think he's a bit of a pussy. Who? Philly?
That's the internet, man.
Oh, you're such a baby.
True.
I'm a baby.
You're a baby.
Such a baby.
It's alternative facts, actually.
Alternative facts.
Yeah.
Rachel Notley grows a hair and resigns.
Sorry, buddy. That's not happening for another 3 years.
My spaghetti is so upsetty.
I'm fucking what?
You fucking what, mate?
You can stop. Are you okay?
What?
You were just staring at your hands
Yeah,
for a
that was
while. I was
really
worried
weird.
you'd cut yourself.
I was staring at the Diff. Obviously.
In all of its glory.
What is big boy? Will it work? All your dreams are coming true.
You can feel the vine. It's so weird.
That's so exciting. How do you feel, babe?
Oh fuck yeah.
Yeah? Well, look at that. Wow. Yes. Yes.
A year and a half of open diff, a year and a bit of VLSD, and now this. Oh, headlight worked.
Oh.
One headlight works.
Oh, yeah. One headlight.